Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome back to my channel. This hour we're going to go through a post that CS made. Yes, the post came late, but we are going to go through it. The Biafran independence took place on 29th of November 2025. The anniversary. Remember last year, 29th of November, Biafran gathered in Finland, in Latin Finland, to declare, to re-declare Biafra, to declare their independence. So our independence took place on that day, and people have celebrated it this year, being 1 year after. And the video of Biafran celebrating in homeland have surfaced. USB government operates in a different level. So the video, I believe it is intentional that they decided to bring it out now, after allowing all this mushroom some people call that get together. I prefer calling them committee of friends, because they are not a nation, they are not either a country. So Ogenkere committee of friends, they said, well, how can you be celebrating in the bush, right? That's one of the arguments. Imagine after exposing yourself in that kind of senseless statement, only for you now to see a video of Biafrans celebrating in the homeland with everything in them. You're gonna watch it if you have not. But before then, let's go through the post that CS made. Here, she said, the celebration of the independence of the United States of Biafra on November 29, 2025, in the states of Alanso was huge by the citizens' birth of a new dawn. Now, let's start from this one. Pay close attention. Watch. You know what? Please use this opportunity and hit the like button, so that most of these people that are criticizing and saying, oh, you declare your nation because ignorance is a disease. All right, watch this. Okay, I don't know if the video is okay. This position, should I just play it as vertical like that? Let me see. Yeah, let us just watch it this way, because so that you will be able to see everything. Okay, I think it's the same position. They are all the same position. So let's use it. They are the same position. I hope we are hearing what man is saying, even though there's no noise in the background. I hope it will allow you to hear what the man is saying and the question being thrown to him. So just pay attention to that. Don't just watch and ignore that part. All right, what he's saying, because some people may say, "Oh, this is maybe somebody having traditional marriage." People go there to record. No, this is the person, one of the person in that event. They called him out and asked him some questions just to interview him, and you can hear what he said. Now, let's move to another one. Artwork.
Biafra. 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 Happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day, Biafra.
This is a way of celebrating, Biafran independence from different Biafrans, and the event took place. The one we just watched took place in Biafra land, and Alanso State is where this one happened. So please share this video and let me know what you think about it, because I know you may also have your own experience, your own encounter based on your own state. You can also bring it on, but this one honestly gladdened my heart, because it is now clear that not only Biafran Army Parade, people actually celebrated it for the first time. This is first independence. It's always somehow calm and quiet, especially if you are getting your independence in a, following the due process, not the one that called you and give you document to Osman Dafodio and say go and rule yourself. Whereas the person that give you the document is the one monitoring you. Yeah, it's just like hiring somebody to take care of your company while you are monitoring how the person is managing the company. That's exactly what it is. Anyway, let me know what you think about it. This is just a quick one. Let me know what you think about it, and comment, share this video, and like it. God bless you, and take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.